Big birds are having a field day out there. Look. Grackles, blue jays, starlings. Oh, they're all having a wonderful time with peanuts. Look, they're throwing them around. The blue jay's getting closer. It's like, I see an opportunity. There's only two. Whoop. Got a little spooked. It's like 3 against 1. What do I do? You're the bigger bird, though. Get these 2 little birds you're just ignoring behind you. I love when the grackle does this. He just dips the nut in the water. Soften it up. Uh-oh, blue jay's down the... Yep, he got one. Yoo-hoo. And the grackle's dipping his peanut. Make it softer. That's the way he likes it. I love it. What a great backyard. It's a menagerie. Oh, hey, little chickadee. You coming to see me? Where are you? There you are. Oh, I guess not. You got scared. Cardinal now, too. So many colors. We got reds, blues, blue jay, grackles. It's crazy out there right now. So many birds. And a squirrel comes and ruins it all. He's like, hey, I'm gonna get me a nut. You guys gotta like stop for a minute. I gotta come out here. Okay, now he's gone. Now the birds will come back. Oh wait, a second one. Now the birds will come back. It seems like the pecking order: squirrels, then grackles, blue jays just kind of like dive in and steal stuff. Very excited.